Just what are the Sun and Moon orbiting around anyways? An orbit is simply a state of equilibrium in which an object is falling towards the center of mass of a more massive object but moving forward just as fast. If the larger object was not there, the smaller object would shoot off in a straight line. If the smaller object suddenly lost its forward velocity, it would quickly fall towards the larger object. So where's the center of mass that the Sun and Moon are interacting with? You can't orbit around another object without interacting with said object's center of mass. In this reality, we obey the laws of orbital mechanics. If they are not interacting with a center of mass, the only other option is controlled flight, which leads to an even more fundamental problem. Much the same way an orbit is a state of equilibrium between forward and downward velocities, controlled flight is simply a state in which four opposing forces are equalized. Aeroplanes are able to fly, or as flat earthers would put it, defy gravity, because they have wings and engines to generate lift and propulsive thrust, to respectively fight against gravity and drag. Okay, so what's giving the Sun and the Moon the lift? What's giving them the propulsion to continuously move in a circle? Aeroplanes don't carry an infinite supply of fuel, and they will fall out of the sky if they run out. You can't just magically remain in the sky without anything to provide lift or thrust to keep you there. The first thing you'll learn in thermodynamics is conservation of mass and conservation of energy, which state that mass and energy are neither created nor destroyed. So if the Sun and Moon are in some kind of powered flight above the Earth, what's giving them the lift and propulsion? And how are they able to achieve this continuous lift and propulsion without violating conservation of mass and conservation of energy?
In this house, we obey the laws of thermodynamics!